Welcome to this video lecture. Myself Atul Kumar, working as a assistant professor in Department of Computer Science, Rajiv Gandhi Memorial, Government College, Jogindarnagar. In this video lecture, I will discuss more about MS Excel. So this one is my MS Excel sheet, and suppose I want to show you the options of font group, alignment group. So before showing this, I want to just enter a data. I want to just create a data in MS Excel. So for the sake of simplicity, I am just creating a data related to student marks. So the first field here is roll number. Next field is suppose name of student. Now you can see here name of the student in is in cell D7, but the name goes out of this cell. Name of the student goes out of this cell. So to adjust the width of this cell, just place the cursor in between D and E cell, and the shape of the cursor is changed to two arrows. So just you can drag this cursor to the right to just adjust the width of the cell. Next I have marks, suppose marks in physics. Again you can adjust the width of this cell by dragging the cursor between E and F to the right side. Again we have marks in computer. The width is adjusted in the same way. And next I want to just calculate the total marks. So suppose our series start from 4001 and I want to enter marks of students from 4001 to 4005. So one way is to enter the roll number from 1 to 5 manually. Other way is to use the option of autofill. So the autofill feature in MS Excel allow you to quickly fill the cell with repetitions or sequential data such as chronicle dates or numbers and repeated text. Here we have a data of a we have a sequential data of numbers starting from 4001, then 402. Then just select these two cells by pressing the shift key and down arrow, and then place the cursor to the right side, bottom side of this selection, and then left click and drag to the down side, and it will automatically autofill all the series from 4001 to 4006. So this option is very useful in case of MS Excel. Again here suppose I want to just use a series of odd numbers, even numbers from 2 to 100. So there is very useful way to just select these two cells of 2 and 4, drag down, and it will fill the series of even numbers. In this way Excel is very smart that first number is 2, then 4, then it will fill the series with this repetitive numbers, that is even numbers. Again if you want the numbers odd numbers from 1 to 100, so just press firstly type 1 and then 3 and then drag down to just get the odd numbers from 1 to 100. So in this way you can use this autofill option to quickly fill cells with a repetitive or sequential data such as chronicle data or uh, dates, chronicle dates or numbers. Also you can use this autofill option for displaying months. Like I have first month January, then we have February, and I want to use all 12 months. So just select this autofill option and it will automatically fill the data or cells with January, February, March, April sequence. So Excel is very smart enough to use repetitive data or sequential data. You can use this option autofill to just fill this option to just fill the data that is in repetitive or sequential form. Next, I want to enter the name of the student, that is Nikhil, Akhil, then we have Akhil, the third is Chandresh, then we have Mamta, then we have Astha, then we have Ashish. Now you want to enter the marks in computers and physics. I have just chosen marks in physics and marks in computer. So the one way is to enter the marks, select the cell, enter the marks manually by just selecting the cell where you want to enter the marks. The other way is to use the cell range or range of the cell. So a range is a group or a block of cells in a worksheet that have been selected or highlighted. So what is the definition of range? So range is a group or block of cells in a worksheet that have been selected or highlighted. So I am just selecting the group of cells by pressing the shift key and right arrow and then down arrow. So this range of cells now I have selected, and this range is starting from E8 and it is ending in F13. Now if you want to enter the data, just enter, then press enter, then 78, press enter, then 76, then 56, then 78, and then 45. Now marks in physics for Ashish is 45. Now when I press enter, then the next cell is automatically selected in the range, that is F8 for marks in computer for Nikhil. So I am just adding here 67, then again press enter, 56, 34, 86, 36, and 97. So in this way you can easily enter or quickly enter a data in MS Excel by using this option, that is a range option. Next, you want to find the total marks. So I am just using here the first formula of MS Excel, that is a sum formula. So there are different ways to add these two marks, that is marks in physics. So to just enter a formula, just use the formula is always started with equal to sign, and then you have to just select marks in physics for Nikhil is 56, that is E8 cell, and then press plus button or plus symbol, or then the next is marks in computer, that is in the F8, and then press enter. So in this way you can use this plus formula. And if you want to enter the total marks, or to calculate the total marks for other students, so you can use this autofill option. Just place the cursor to the bottom right side and drag it, and it will automatically calculate the total marks for all the students for from 4002 to 4006. So here when you select this cell that is G9, so here the formula is E9 plus F9. So the cells of the content of E9 and F9 are is added, and the total marks is 134. So this type of referencing is for 110, we the formula is E10 plus F10. So this type of referencing we are using autofill option, and Excel automatically selects the data for which addition is to be done. And this type of referencing in case of MS Excel is called as relative referencing. Next, I want to just make use of borders. So in case of if you want to make use of borders, so there is an option in inside a font group, all borders. So just use this option, all borders, and just we have created a one table a table of student data. Again, we want to just bold this first row. Just select this bold option. If you want to make italic, if you want to change the font, then there is different fonts. Just like MS Excel, you can use different fonts, different style of the font, and also you can change the color of your font that is available in this font group. So now I want to show you the next group is alignment group. And in alignment group we have if we want to align a text either to the middle, to the top, or to the center, or to the left, or to the center, or to the right inside a cell, so there are different options. If you want to align a text to the center of your cell, just select this, and your text inside the cell is aligned to the center. So in this way you can just make use of this alignment option in MS Excel to make the alignment of your cell of your text inside a cell to the center, to the middle, or to the top or bottom. Suppose I want to just align this, the name of the student, not the names of all the student to the right. Just select these cells by pressing the shift key and down arrow, and go to the right, align right option. So it will align your content to the right side. So in this way you can make use of this alignment option. Next important option inside in alignment is merge and center. So just to use this option, I am writing here student data. So this data is about student or mark sheet, or mark sheet of student. Now you can see here the mark sheet is in the cell C6. When I just selected the cell D6, that is my active cell, so there is no content available. So you want this mark sheet in the middle, and you want to merge all the cells. So there is option of merge and center. Just click this merge and center, so it will combine and center the content of the selected cell in the in a new larger cell. So it will merge all the cells from C6 to G6, and the content is aligned to the center. So when I select this merge and center option, so you can see here all the cells from C6 to G6 are merged, and the content inside this is merged to the center, or is aligned to the center. So if you want to just increase the font style, also if you want to make if borders, so all border option is also there available. If you want to highlight this, so in this way you can make formatting in MS Excel spreadsheet. Also there is option of wrap text. So to use this option, I am just writing here, this is a sample text. So now you can see here, so I'm writing here, I have the active cell here is I3, that is written, you can see here in name box, and this is a sample text. Now this is a sample text goes to the next cell, that is J3, but this is a sample text, whole content is in I3. So if you want to wrap this text to a single I3 cell, then there is an option of wrap text. Just select this cell and go to wrap text, so it will wrap extra long text into multiple lines, so you can see all of it. So just select it, and you can see here the whole text is long text is wrapped to a single I3 text. So this is the use of this wrap text. So this is all about this video lecture. Thanks for watching this video lecture.